three bins in the front. I just put it one there because I'm just blocking the day bins because they did that to us.
It's not good. We need to be nice people.
Yes.
I'm going to
but-
swimming.
Yes, but the day bin blocked us the today.
It's alright. It's just mistake. We're going to swimming class. Hello everyone! Punta na kami sa swimming class ni Alexander.
It's raining to us celebrate the day. Remember, mommy. That's what
Today
it
is
says.
swimming class niya.
The day is not swimming class.
Ayun,
The
ayaw
day
niya talaga
is
magpunta.
swimming server.
So,
So
we
server
have how many
has
minutes?
10.
18 minutes.
10.
Minutes.
5 10.
So,
How many minutes they were 12?
huh?
How many minutes they were 12?
I don't know. But we have to go to swimming class because I want you to be so good in swimming. Ano lang namin, no, nagpunta kami ng train, di ba? Part 2 na lang ito. And then, lagay ko nga yung aking charger. Which is, malapit lang naman sa bahay. Mga 8 minutes lang yung kanyang swimming class. 8 minutes drive going to swimming pool. Alexander is a good swimmer. Ginaganon ko siya para at least hindi na siya natatakot. Sinasabi kong he's a good swimmer. He's very easy to learn. Like that. Ito yung neighbor ko na yung
Why you said I'm a dot swimmer? They were teaching me how to swim now.
Yeah, no, because you're a good swimmer because you are trying your best to swim, to learn how to swim, to become good, yeah? And I'm sure soon you will be...
But why does the door in number 9 there?
What?
But why, how many after swimming, maybe I should do ride on my bicycle with no pedals because
Oh,
I need
yeah.
to practice.
Okay, after swimming, we can come home and...
Because my teacher said I need to practice with 2 wheels, which is with 2 wheels or not on.
Okay then, so after swimming, you will practice with bicycle, all right?
Yes, but how about I fall
Mainit
down?
today, which is very good, yeah?
But what happened when I fall down?
What fall down?
Fall down
No, it's normal. It's normal when you are practicing how to drive bicycle. You fall down many times, but after that you will be good. Like before driving the car, remember? You crash many times, but then suddenly you learned how not to crash. It's just like that. Like swimming, now you're not so good in swimming. Soon you'll become expert. That's why they will go to you to more. At the end of that.
Yes, but when I'm good in swimming, I won't go there anymore.
When you're good in swimming, I will take you to the biggest pool to practice more.
What pool is it?
It's for Olympic, for some kids who are very good in swimming, very, very, very good, with excellent skill, excellent swimmer. You want to go there?
But it's 15 past 16.
No, we have time. 14 minutes still. We have time. It's not traffic today.
What? It's the showing how the other top tree.
No. It's not traffic. In 6 minutes, I think we arrive, or even in 6 minutes, we will arrive in our destination. I didn't put the Google Map because I know where we are going. remember the karate you did? It's there. So yeah, it's nice place here because they have like karate. I'm just searching for they have also football, which is Alexander will do again. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I think it's starting Saturday. I think he needs to go to swimming, to football training. Kaso nga lang sometimes kasi ano talaga guys, so maraming activities. Pag hindi na siguro ako busy. Kasi marami talagang activity Saturday. Pero anyway, morning lang naman yan. From 9:30 to 10:30 lang naman yung ano ni Alexander, yung sa football, which is good. Yeah, 6 minutes, 8 minutes going there. So yeah, I can. It's just
It's 15 past 18 minutes.
Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
No, it's not like that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
7
And
days in a week.
And I know
7
12
days
months
in a
in a
week.
year as well because I listen to 12 months in a year today.
Yeah, that's nice, Alexander.
January, February, it's about exercising.
Okay,
12 months in the year by exercising.
okay.
12 months in the year, 12 months in the year. Beat it, beat. Okay. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, October, November, December. Is that right?
Yes, I guess. Can I hear it again? Oh, bless you.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, October.
December. The last is the January.
Oh, okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, October,
September.
November.
You forgot the September. October,
October,
November,
November,
December.
December.
Yes, well done. Again, I will sing for you. January,
January, February, March,
April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Actually, ang kagandahan dito sa swimming class ni Alexander, it's free parking 2 hours. So kung more than ka, you will pay parking na. You can stay longer pero you need to pay parking. Pero sa amin, we'll just use the 2 hours free. And after that, we go maybe B&M, maybe somewhere over the rainbow. Okay, okay. Here, right here. It's easier here. Oh, we are just beside the ticketing. So it's easy. Let's park properly. It's a little bit hard here. Wait lang. Park ko lang siya ng proper. Kasi pag you don't park properly, you will have penalty. Bakit sobrang deep dito? Why it's so much? Yung taong ito, he didn't park properly. He didn't park properly.
What
In the line of this car,
What, the white
Didn't-
car?
the white car.
White car.
Yeah.
That's why you talk properly?
Yeah, cause he put so much.
What? Does he want the bait at the pit perhaps in penalty?
No, because this one is better. Okay, right now. Because a while ago it's so hard. Okay. It's okay now. We have how many minutes? 7
Yeah,
minutes. We
but
have time.
This white car will get penalty so fast.
Yeah, okay. So let me get the ticket. Ganito lang siya, guys. Ay. Very easy. Easy peasy. Wait lang. Wait lang. I'll get the ticket.
Mommy? Hey, get me open.
Yan. Okay, so we have a free 2 hours now. Yeah, it's free. Wala akong binayaran.
But
Oh.
look at my big tummy.
No, come on. Let's lock it. I will ready lang yung gagamitin ni Alexander. Don't show the guys your big tummy. And then googles. Give me your googles there. You need to put it in the car. Here.
But they're too tight.
Give me. No, it's okay. In the head only. Give me. Show the guys that you're a good swimmer. Come on. Just in the head. Oh, wait. Ganito siya. Yeah, yeah, like that.
I just want to practice with the same person.
Okay, you can choose another swimmer. Okay. They have more teacher now. Whoa, look at you. I feel like you're Blippi. Look at the color. Like Blippi color.
Sure, that's not Blitty color, because this one have a fish. Blitty don't have a fish picture.
Okay. So let's go. Water here. Pants. Trout short. Banana. Water. And we are going to B&M after here to eat. Okay? Bye guys. See you next time. OMG, nakalimutan ko yung aking bag. Oh. Buti na lang, meron akong extra yung nilalagay ko na pera. So, meron akong pera ngayon kasi bala ko pa naman sanang bumili ng something. Pero dahil nakalimutan ko, cash na lang yung gagamitin ko.
Mommy?
Yeah? 1 minute na lang. Look at my son. Be careful. He's shopping now.
How did I would do this?
Okay, you have to return it now. Make sure. Give me
Can
your...
you hold this?
Return it all.
Are you like
It's not that good, yeah?
I'll just need the
Maybe it's not good. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try another one. I think it's not good.
No, this is 12. Not that good, because you're...
Not good? Uh-huh. Okay, let's go and try it. Let's choose another one.
I see and I say, this size 10, and I think this one size 10 as well.
Yeah.
And this, but this blue one...
Come on, try it. Yeah?
Yeah, it's a little bit thick.
So,
This here is not good, but we can buy it.
no, I want you to make sure that you like it.
I do like it.
They have another one here. This one.
Oh, that's too tight. That's because that is size 10 baby.
So, which Are you sure? Can you wear it and stand up? I want to see.
And what?
Let's see. Is it good? Huh?
Is it good?
Yeah, is it good?
Hmm?
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried it.
Or the blue one? Why you don't like the blue one?
Oh, because this thing here, it's freezing.
Ah, okay. This one doesn't?
A little bit, so it's still okay.
Okay.
But it has letter A on it.
Yeah.
I mean A.
That's, I think, not so good to you.
It fit.
No, doesn't look good to you. Then get your receipt and your item and your change, okay? Yeah. You do it all. Get it. Get it. Then your item. Get it. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
This is that way like
Hindi nila alamig si Alexander. Medyo malamig na now. It's good smell? Good smell? What are you buying?
I buy this biscuit.
Look, Bisco.
Bisco. I tried this biscuit last time when I was 3 years old.
Okay, we're here now.
And this one will be delicious.
Yeah, it will be so delicious for sure.
This one is melt like this.
Yeah.
But I saw it's not molting.
Okay.
And they put that red sign.
Maybe it's not wet. It's dry now. But before it's wet.
Yeah, maybe last time it's wet, and now it's not wet.
Yeah.
That's they don't know it's not wet anymore.
Yeah. So what you can tell to guys?
I was thinking if I can find any more wows. Ooh. What did that say?
Where?
Here, it says
New.
Ooh.
New. It's new. Like it's new here.
It's new, how what?
New here. They didn't have it before.
I have something.
What?
Ow. Ooh. Ow.
Wow.
Wow, okay, that is newy.
Nearly, yeah.
What is newy? So will you give me myself a sticker?
Of course. Come on.
Wait, so E-N-U. New.
New. Well done. That's good.
Because they did have this one before. So
Yeah.
look what it says is in the top. You know what it says in the top?
What?
You see it's on white in the top?
What is that?
What
New.
does it say?
New. You're right.
Yes, they did have this one before.
Yeah. Sobrang tukat na ni
Mommy,
Alexander.
here's the other flowers. Purple, and black. No black.
No black? There is black. There's black, oh. I said to Alexander that is for his birthday. And what you said? What you will do? You will
I would pretend I didn't see this.
Yeah, he will pretend he didn't see it because I will give it to him on his birthday. Okay, let's go now.
Mommy, here's some glue.
Glue, this one, I can buy you this one. This bigger one, okay?
But that's
We're going to buy tea. It's nearly 6 na, kaya konti na lang yung tao dito sa shop.
when I walk, you walk. When I run, you run. When I say sit, you do like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Run.
Naribog kayo.
Run. Run.
If I run, I'll be super fast.
Now that's a little bit fast.
Na pa yan sumasayaw.